Hey everyone, this is a cheeseburger piled high with bacon jam. And if you don't know what bacon jam is or how to make it, I'm about to show you. First, I'm going to take 1 pound of bacon and cut that up into about 1-inch pieces. I'm going to put that in a cold skillet and fry that slowly on low heat until I render all of the fat out. And you want to do it on low heat very slowly to get all of that fat out before it actually crisps up. While you're doing that, go ahead and cut up 2 medium onions and just a rough chop and set that aside. When your bacon's done and it looks like you've got all the fat out, go ahead and scoop that out with a slotted spoon. And then you're going to see you have quite a bit of bacon grease there. Just pour most of that in a jar and save it. You'll want to leave 2 to 3 tablespoons in the skillet there. And you'll put your onions in there. And again, just saute them on low heat and slowly. You want those to caramelize. And this all just takes a little bit of time, not much, but you don't want to rush it. So after you've got those tender, go ahead and add in 1/2 cup of brown sugar. It seems like a lot, but trust me, it's perfect. Get that all nice and mixed in. And then you're going to add in 1/2 cup of water and 1/3 cup of strong brewed coffee. And coffee just elevates the taste of everything in here. I know that looks watery right now, but it will thicken up and it will be like a jam consistency. Now go ahead and add in your 1 tablespoon of balsamic vinegar and your bacon. And just stir occasionally and keep this on medium-low heat. And just let it do its thing. It will thicken up and it will be very, very tasty. As you can see here, it's getting thicker and thicker. You'll probably cook it like this for about maybe 30 minutes. And then when it gets to a gel-like consistency, you can go ahead and move that to a serving dish. Fry up a couple burgers, which is my favorite way to eat this. A lot of people eat it on just cheese and crackers. Whatever you eat bacon on, you can use this. So I'm putting mayonnaise on a bun. And I've fried up a burger and I'm going to put cheddar cheese on that. Put that on the bun, pile it high with the bacon jam. And oh boy, does that look good. Very, very tasty. So I hope you give this a try. And I hope you enjoy it as much as I did. Thanks for watching.